Okay, no problem. So we discussed from organism to species. Then what? After species, population. Then what is the next level? Community. What next?
Community, ecosystem, biome or biosphere.
Ecosystem. Then
Biome
yes.
and biosphere.
Very good. Very good. It seems like our only Apurva is studying, huh? Okay. Fine. Then what did we discuss? Different type of ecosystem. Can anybody name any one or two type of ecosystem? No? Amandeep? Roll
Yes,
number
sir.
16.
Sir, I was
Yes.
absent
Can
last
you name
class.
two type of? You are absent.
Yes, sir.
Then what? Absent means being absent is not excuse. Okay. You do have hard copy of the book?
No,
No?
sir. No, sir.
Okay. Try to remain present, and if you are not present, then you have to be more responsible. You have to talk to any of your friend, and you have to know that what we discuss in our class, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Roll number 24. Can you name two type of ecosystem? Any example of any two ecosystem? Roll number 24, are you here? No? Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Roll number 24, can you hear me? Roll number 66.
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you name two type of ecosystem? Any two ecosystem? Anybody else who can say?
Sir, aquatic.
Sir, aquatic
And
ecosystem.
terrestrial and ecosystem.
Okay. Okay. Any two examples of ecosystem? It's like desert, grassland, tropical rainforest, temperate forest, tundra, means
Some marine.
marine ecosystem, terrestrial ecosystem. In terrestrial ecosystem, you will find forest, grassland. In marine ecosystem, you can find pond, lake, river, ocean,
Rainforest.
rainforest. Yes,
Agro ecosystem.
agroecosystem. Means you want to say agriculture field. Yes, that can be. Okay. Though in book you will not find example of such an ecosystem, but that can be. Okay. So what is biome? Okay, you take your time and please whatever important terms I am saying, please read it and understand it. One is population, ecosystem, then biome. What is a biome? Do you understand? Do you remember? In one sentence, anybody?
a group of similar or related ecosystems.
Very good, Aman. It's a group of similar or related ecosystem on a land. Okay, so Aman is roll number 15, right? So if you people don't participate, you know, his class will be very monotonous. Okay, fine. So we understand the concept of biome. Biome has a distinct climate and life from adapted life. Those are adapted to that climate. Biome can be cold climate like in tundra. It can be hot climate like desert. Okay. So then we also discuss ecotone. What is a ecotone? Can anybody say in a line? No? Okay. Ecotone is a...
Excuse, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Prachi.
is there any source of energy for the ecosystem?
Of course, there is a source of energy for the ecosystem. It's the whole soul energy that we get from the sun.
Oh, so solar radiation, something like that kind of.
Right. Because
Okay.
all the energy that we have in the earth, that comes from solar energy only, right? It may be in
Okay.
different forms, but creates in day-to-day life, whatever energy we get, all energy are transformed or some way or other related to solar energy.
Thank you, sir.
Ecotone is a place where two or more ecosystem meet. I gave you example of Chilka Lake, coastal region, seashore. So those places are having rich biological diversity. So then we discuss what is biosphere, right? So biosphere is where all the living organisms on earth, dead organisms, matter, and means it's all together surrounding the earth, the air. Altogether it is known as biosphere. Do you remember we discussed on trophic level of organization in nature? No? It's organism, species, population, community, ecosystem, biome, and biosphere. Then we discussed what is a trophic level. What is a trophic level?
Like herbivore, carnivore.
Yes, good. It is who said this?
Hansraj.
Hansraj, roll number 45. Good. It's the example of trophic level. So what is a trophic level?
Sir, each organization in an ecosystem at a specific feeding stage is known as ecosystem.
Can you please repeat? Yes.
Sir, each organization in an ecosystem at specific feeding stage is known as ecosystem.
Very good. Very good. Trophic level is a specific feeding stage for each organism in an ecosystem. Atisha,
Yes, sir.
very good. Very good. Okay. So then we'll move to the next part. So what is a food chain? Do you all remember what is a food chain? Food chain and food web are two very important concepts. Please do remember that and the diagram. You may get a question to make the diagram and write about food chain in your exam. Or maybe food chain, food web. What is the difference between food web and food chain? Write it with examples. Okay. Then we also saw what are the different type of organisms like omnivores, detrivores, and decomposers, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we discussed on energy flow. Do you remember energy flow? So let's say 1000 kilocalorie of energy comes from sun. So then what is the amount of energy that the producer or the plants will receive? Yes.
100.
How much? It's 10% rule.
So 100.
How come you people forget so early? 1000 means the producer will get 100 kilocalorie. And if the producer will get 100 kilocalorie, the herbivorous, let the goat or rabbit, whoever eat that bees, what the amount of energy they will get?
10.
10.
10,000.
Okay. Then in the next trophic table, those who will eat rabbit or
So
1. Very good, very good. So it's Bipul, right?
yes, sir.
34. Okay. Like that, it is the 10% rule that is applicable for energy flow. Then we also saw the pyramid of biomass, right? From
Yes,
producer to primary consumer to secondary consumer to tertiary consumer, or maybe the quaternary consumer. Some places. We talked what is habitat, what is ecological niche, and then we discussed what is ecological succession. So ecological succession, what is ecological succession? The orderly process of the transition from the biotic community to another, one biotic community to another. It is otherwise known as ecological succession. So climax, ecosystem, homeostasis, all these things we discussed. We also discussed the biochemical cycle like water cycle, then carbon cycle,
sulfur cycle.
sulfur cycle. There are so many cycles: carbon cycle, water cycle, sulfur cycle, nitrogen cycle, oxygen cycle, phosphorus cycle. Okay. So the services that we get from ecosystem, it's almost free of cost. Last time we covered up to this, or we have covered more than this? Yes. Can anybody remember?
So we
Sir,
did
we have
We have discussed all this.
we did till carbon cycle.
Carbon cycle. Okay. Fine. Does the screen